morning and welcome everyone. Thank you all for being here. My name is Ashish and I'm joined by my lovely colleague, Courtney.
Hello.
We are actually really excited this morning. I think we're going to add a lot of joy to your day, extra joy. Now, we were just here a couple of weeks ago, Courtney, launching Cricut Venture, right? As such an incredible, exciting launch. It's our biggest, fastest, incredible cutting machines. There are so many things that we worked on in the last year, and there's so many things that are coming. Our goal for the design space is to go from all the way from inspiration to creation. So give you, tons of content, makeable content, help you discover inspiration that fits your needs and your occasions, give you the tools to make some things, and then ultimately share your creativity on our platform with other people so that others can be inspired by you. Courtney, why don't you tell us what all's changed in the world of print and cut?
Oh, absolutely. So one of the things that has changed is that we have improved the print size, what you're able to fit on a sheet of paper.
Wow, so you're able to use more of the paper so you don't waste it, huh?
Exactly, there's more usable space here. Besides that, we have also added in more paper sizes, but we didn't stop at just the usable space and the extra sizes. We have another thing coming, and it's going to be coming out later this year, and it is called Create Sticker. And it is a new feature for our Cricut Access subscribers that make it easier and faster to make stickers. So Create Sticker makes it easy to do kiss cut stickers or die cut stickers where it cuts around the whole sticker itself and punches it out, or a combination of both.
Yeah, and I know how to use our machines, I know how to use our software, but even for me, like making stickers takes some time. We made it so easy to make all kinds of stickers with just a couple of clicks.
Yeah, this new feature basically means you can click, print, and cut, and you're done. And we're really excited that this will be available later on this year for our Access subscribers.
I love it, but it just doesn't stop there, does it? Like, I know there's more to this. What else is coming?
Well, we talked about the software side, so we have to also deliver on the material side. Can I show you a couple of the new things coming out?
Absolutely.
Okay, let me grab them. Okay, so we have several new printable materials that we will be launching this year as well. First is a new and improved printable sticker paper.
Let me hold it for you.
It sounds good. As well as new printable vinyl. Both of these have been redesigned so that they go through a printer easier, they have a thinner liner, they feel better, a much better experience. This next one is brand new. This is our printable waterproof sticker set, which means you can put it on drinkware, it can get wet, it can come out just as vivid as it did when it went in. We also have two new products for iron-ons. So we have our printable iron-ons, one for light and one for dark. And we're really excited to introduce these as well.
Yeah, one of the things I'm really excited about, Courtney, is that when I walk in the office, our team spends so much time, like thousands and thousands of hours, trying to calibrate all of our machines, checking the settings, make sure that the product not only cuts well. Like, I'm incredibly proud of the compatibility and how seamless, like I always say, it just works. Cricut materials just work.
Yes, and these will be coming out in both letter size, so 8.5 inch by 11, as well as A4, and they will work, like you said, with any of our machines that have a print and cut sensor. And they'll also work with the new design space features that we talked about.
Awesome. This next product that we're going to talk about is something that's super exciting. We've been wanting to share this with all of you for a long time. Now, 3 years ago, we launched Cricut Joy. It was an ultra compact cutting machine. You could take it everywhere. I love using my Cricut Joy. But it always just left me wanting something a little bit more, something extra. All these wonderful features that Courtney just talked about, from print and cut to making stickers. How do we make it easy for all of your friends and family that have always wanted a Cricut to make beautiful projects in full color without having to cut layers all the time, right? So if you own a printer, if your friends and family own a printer, if they can print it, they can cut it. I want to introduce to you our next product, introducing Cricut Joy Extra. And it is, Courtney, it's beautiful. Courtney, tell me more about this beautiful product, Cricut Joy Extra.
Oh, absolutely. So I love the design, as you talked about. Our team just hit it out of the park, in my opinion. So this machine is 6 pounds, very light. I mean, you picked it up just barely. And it makes the most popular project sizes. So things like t-shirts, vinyl signs, labels, cards, and even what you just talked about, full color stickers.
So if you can print it, you can cut it. This is designed with the printers in mind. Right?
Exactly, exactly. So it's extra because it has a print and cut sensor in it, as well as the extra size. Looks a lot like Joy, but it's a little bit more.
How many materials does it cut?
So this will cut 50 plus materials, just like our original Joy. It even foils. It's compatible with all of the Joy tools. So the foil tool, like we just said, the housing and the pens, the blade housing and pens.
So Courtney, does it work with smart materials?
It absolutely does. Can I show you a few?
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay, so with our right-sized materials for Joy Extra, these will be able to cut 8.5 inches by 4 feet long in one single image.
Wow.
And we're coming out with a ton of colors for smart vinyl.
These look super cute.
They are super cute. Obviously some transfer tape to go along with it so you can transfer things. Many colors of smart iron-on, as well as our new one, which is our prismatic glitter smart iron-on, and this is microplastic free.
So this is really sustainable.
It is, and it has a nice smooth texture, very smooth on your skin. Go ahead and feel that.
I love it. Now, obviously, it's not going to fit me.
Yeah, just barely.
I think it's actually incredible.
And for anything that you need to put on a mat, we're introducing new mats as well as a new card mat.
So you can actually do cards with it.
You can, and the little bit extra that goes with this is that it fits all of our Cricut card sizes.
Our teams have thought of everything.
They really have.
So now Cricut Joy Extra, is going to come at a very affordable price. It's $199, giving you all the functionality of, our machines, which is you can cut up to 50 materials, you can do print and cut.
So besides just the singular machine, like you mentioned, there will be a ton of bundles, and that's because we want people to be able to get all of the materials that they need to start creating right out of the box. And so they'll be able to find them all over the place. We're really excited about that part.
So Courtney, one of the things I love about our portfolio is that there is a machine for everyone, right? There is something that fits you, your expertise level, the types of crafts you do. Why don't you walk us through our entire lineup now? I mean, we have an incredible lineup. Tell me more about it.
We really do, and I'd love to talk about them. So we have our Joy machine, which is, as you would say, our uber compact machine, and it is for your everyday small projects like cards and labels. We then have our Cricut Joy Extra, which makes the most popular size projects, things like t-shirts and vinyl signs. We then have our Explore 3 machine, which cuts 100 plus materials, has more capabilities, is a larger size. And then we have our Maker 3, which again, even more materials, 300 plus, more capabilities with things like the rotary blade and the knife blade. And then obviously the newest one, Cricut Venture.
Our biggest, fastest, amazing cutting machine. So we have a great lineup. We want to innovate for everybody, right? There's millions and millions of amazing creative people like you out there, and we want to make sure that we have just the right machine for the right user. Where can people go to learn more about all these products?
Well, they should head over to our Cricut websites and they'll be able to find out a bunch more information. And we want to make sure everyone is aware that this is going to be launching in stores and online on September 7th.
Well, thank you again. It's been a wonderful morning. Thank you again for joining us. And all of you have a wonderful, joyful, just extra joy day today.